All right, here we are. So now, the only other thing left in the website to really worry about, the about and home will always stay the same. Please do not fuck around with that shit. Um, yeah, okay, so here we have all of our projects. As you can see, it's just the title of what the thing is, a thumbnail, and what category it falls under, which then you can use the filter to view, which is quite nice. Um, there should probably be a place where you can go back. Let me try to fix that. Hmm. Weird. Whatever. I'll look into that later and I'll fix it if I can. Whatever. People can just click back. Okay. So, as you can notice, we have something set up. An isolated small image. This one's a little fucked, but it's fine. For related to each of the things. This is a requirement for the website. Um, Unless you want to completely change it and create big boxes, but it kind of takes away from the design of the website. So, my recommendation to Sage, the creative director Rowan, the archivist always, always, always mention if you guys know and think that something is going to go on the website as one of the projects, as an event, try to find either from the internet a picture, like I had to for this because I didn't really have any like images from MShoot, or look, I took a pattern from Toby's models, dresses, shirt. This is on like behind the scenes. This is behind the scenes from this shoot. So try to take pictures behind the scenes or significant images of items that would be able to be used in this sort of way so that you can later isolate it and put it as a thumbnail. So I'm gonna make a new project. I've already started it, but I'll show you guys sort of how I put it together. And it's for the Room of Real Things. So we're gonna click edit. We're gonna click this section and manage posts. So it brings us here to the projects section. Um, Let me see if there's anything here you guys need to see. No, no, no. Okay, so in manage categories, we have these 5 categories. If you guys want to add more, I'm not sure how. I think it would be when you're actually making a new one, and then it'll come here. I think. Yeah, cool. But yeah, so these are the 5 categories, and this will come into the fold later. Um, so, blog content. Everything is on this website ordered by the date that it was published. So, which you can change, of course. So if I wanted to, I could go here and go to the settings, go to options, status, and I can do a scheduled, or I can go to published here and change the day. I don't want to. Maybe I should do it with the very first one so that it doesn't change. So, as you can see, it's like January 18th is when it was technically published, but if I wanted to change it to the 17th, I could and save, and then it would. And obviously, as you can imagine, if I made it to the 19th, it would jump above and be in front of these. Oh, let's see what happens here. Hello? Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. Let's go back. Okay, it's fine. So, the Rumor of Real Things. Right now, it was created on the 29th, so that's why the publishing date is written like that, but obviously we can change that as I showed you, which I actually will right now. Um, just to show you. And you can even put it in review for if you guys want to do like a multiple team thing, but that depends on your guys' workflow. Actually, I'll change that when I need to actually change that when it's actually done to do. Okay, so before you even create it, here, I have created this, which is, as we all know, the USB from the show as the image on the background of the website color, which you can, screenshot, put onto Photoshop, and match the color with anything for a background. I recommend, here, let me go back to the, oh shit, is it? Okay, whoops. That wasn't meant, that was a mistake on my end, sorry. That'll be for later. I will post it to show you. But the container I have here, let me show you. If I click edit section, the aspect ratio is 3:4. So if you want it to look in the middle and centered the way I have all of these, I put them all in a 3:4 little box of this off-white color. In this case, I might have accidentally done a square, but I think it'll be fine. Well, if that needs fixing, I'll go and fix that. But back to the room of real things. So the way I have this set up is very similar to the month, day, year one. So it's a description, like little introduction. So let's go through the month, day, year one real quick. So we have our category, runway, the title, little intro paragraph, the film, some looks from the show. I created PNGs of the show notes, which then I applied to a grid, and it all looks nice and dandy. And then the show invite, and then just boom, credits. All the credits possible with the show. So with the Room of Real Things, we're doing a very similar thing. Description and insert the runway video. Already put in the looks in a grid, and you'll see how that works right about now. So show notes. I've already created a container. So here, it's like a grid that I added, and I would just upload images, and I already have it, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Where exactly would that be? Okay, yeah. Not sure if you can see my screen, but I'm finding the files for the show notes so I can start to upload them. Starting with the first page to the last page. Boom. I select them all, so it's going to take some time to load in. So I'm going to sit and wait here. Maybe I'll cut around this, or you can speed it up. Oh, perfect. And it's already in order. So as these are all uploading, I'm going to go to design. And as you can see, it's in the aspect ratio of 1:1 square in crop images. Obviously, the dimensions of the actual files and the pages were not that. So what we're going to do is deselect crop images, and now we have the full size. We want to do 2 thumbnails per row. Maybe we can bring down the padding as well to 0. Oh, actually, no, never mind. We're going to do the padding to 20. We're going to keep it there so that we have that little gap. Lightbox, yes. What that means is when you click on it, it isolates it, and I'll show you what that means. Open links in a new window? No. Keep it grid, nice and simple. Show the title of the images? No. And boom. You have most everything. Let me just make sure it's all in the right 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Nice. Okay. So boom, there you go. The show notes are uploaded. Let me click save. Okay, guys, so you can see it. And so how did I create this page? Well, simply put, like we did for the blog posts for month, day, year, I did this. Boom, duplicate, and I edited it how I needed to, depending. So that's how you edit a grid and add images. Pretty simple. The show invite, I'll later put in the image. Let me see if I'm going to put the video instead that we made, the stop motion video. So In that case, I'm pretty sure you can upload videos as well. So here it won't be a grid of images, it'll just be so instead of a grid, I click this plus right here so I can find where I can put a video. Boom. You have 30 minutes of storage to add, so I'm going to upload this file. I'm going to go find the video. If I can find the video. Oh, no, that's why. Let's see if it uploads correctly. Okay, cool. So as that's happening, we'll come back to that. I'm going to delete this gallery because I don't want to do images. And instead, I'm going to click this plus and do some text linking to the actual website that we made for the invitation. So I think it was SS24. Let me look up in. Ugh. Oh, mad. How do I find it? Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'm going to find this. Boom. I'm just gonna go to the site. Home. Okay. To view the invite that was included on the USB, click here, and we'll link the here to this, and it will open this link in a new tab. So we have this uploaded. What we want to do now, custom featured image, yes, because I don't like how this looks. So you can only do autoplay when it's mute video. Interesting. Is that worth it? Sorry, I'm trying to make it as seamless as possible so that it doesn't get annoying. Or we give them the chance to play it. Honestly, they'll be fine. You don't need sound. Although the sound is quite fun on the video. What else? Alright. And this way we might not even need a custom featured image. And it'll just start. So let's see how it looks. So you click this to sometimes preview how the website will look. So far so good. All the show notes. So we're not getting any looping. Maybe it has to publish for us to view it like that. Let's see. Let's just scroll down really quick. Okay, yeah. So now, let's see. So we started kind of in the middle. I guess it starts as soon as you're on the site. So by the time you scroll down, it might not start from the very beginning of the video. Okay. Okay. And so then it loops. Got it. Click here. Boom. Okay, so PR, I'll go in and obviously, again, simple. I can click edit, go to that grid, and I can put in all, the advertising that we did for the show, because I think it would be nice to archive. And then again, credits. And what I'll do for credits is go back to month, day, year, go over here. Oh, go over here again, and go to edit, just to copy and paste it. Obviously it's a bit different with different people. Let me tab that so that, boy, not sure why that's going on. All right, and then, yeah, you go ahead and edit it as you will. In this sense, it would be stage management. Different names. Different names. That will be me. Sorry, okay. We'll come back to that. But yeah, so there we go. This is a post. And now if I want to publish, let's go ahead and publish and see how it looks on the projects page just to see. And yeah, looks pretty good. What's missing though? As you can see, it is not categorized. So we're going to go to manage posts, blog content, rumor of real things, options, categories, and we're going to type R. Runway will pop up. That's really it. You don't want comments. You don't want to do featured posts because it's just by the soonest. And yeah, we don't do tags, or we didn't do tags. And if you want to figure that out, feel free. And yeah, there you are. Rumor of Real Things is now officially published. But of course it's not ready, so go back here, go to draft, save, and we're done. And to show you guys an example, so I don't know if whoever has seen this has clicked around on the website. This is how we have Toby shoot, literally images and credits, nothing else. If there's, for example, for this shoot, we did images and, I wrote a poem for it. So I included that as another image and then credits. Very simple. You would just duplicate and edit away like that. What else do we have? For events, we have a setup, so all events can be used like this. Gallery images, text about it, even YouTube videos. And I recommend, doing another one if you guys are doing more YouTube videos for sewing workshops and making one for the 2024-2025 year. I have to make one for 2023-2024. If I have time, I will. This one is literally just images, so people can just look at things that we've designed for the club. And yeah, that's pretty simple. I think I've covered everything. Uh, yeah, I think obviously this is very important. This thumbnail, getting it right. Obviously, remember 4:3. This background around this size so that you can fit in. It all looks pretty uniform. So yeah, peace. Thank you. Good luck.